Hello my beautiful fashion lovers, welcome back again to my channel. So today we'll be making these beautiful up and down top and shorts, and these are the materials we'll be using for it. This fabric is 3 yards, the ankara is 3 yards, and the net is 1.5 yard. Okay, let's get into the tutorial. So firstly, we are cutting the top, and I've folded my fabric into two this way. Now I will go ahead to measure the length of the top, which I'm using 28. After that, I measure my bust point, half length. Going on, I measure my back divided by 2. My shoulder slope 1 inch. My armhole 8 inch. My back measurement into 2, that is what I use for my armhole. Rule it out. Middle of the armhole 4 inches. Then I mark in half an inch to create my armhole. Then I'll use my curve ruler to create my armhole. Once I'm done, I head to the next side. I use 2.5 for the width, for the depth 2.5. Then I connect. Then trace my shoulder slope to my neck. Then for the next side, you're going to come down by 5 inches. I came 3, but later realized that that 3 was too small. I went ahead to increase it to 5. I increased that side to 5 inches. Okay, you can increase yours to 6 or to 7. Yeah. So once I'm done with that, on that curved side of my neck, I will go in by 0.5 or 0.75, depending on how open you want it to be. So for me, I use 0.5. Then I will connect it with a straight line or a curved line. If you don't like the curve, you use the straight one, which will give you V-neck. Moving on, you're going to place your bust circumference on that bust point. You place your bust circumference plus sewing allowance and ease allowance. On the half length, you're going to place your hip circumference divided by 4, sewing allowance and ease allowance. On the hemming side of the top, you're going to place your hip circumference divided by 4 plus sewing allowance and ease allowance. So on the BP, that is the bust point, that is where you placed your bust. On the half length, you placed your hip measurement. On the hemming side, you place your hip measurement. Then you connect this way. go ahead to cut out what you've marked. This is what we have. Now use the front side to cut out the back. All you need here is to mark for the depth. You're going to mark 1 inch, and for the width you're still maintaining that 2.5. Then you go ahead to cut out. Moving on to the sleeve, let's cut the sleeve. We are done with the top. Moving on to the sleeve, you're going to cut the sleeve just as if you're cutting a bubu. The sleeve is in form of bubu, but in a smaller form. So go ahead to measure the length you want to work with. For mine, I use either 25 or something. So from there, you are going to mark 4 inches for normal sleeve standard measurement. Then from that 4 inches, you're going to mark your round arm circumference. Okay, round arm circumference, that's what you're going to mark here, plus sewing allowance. So once you're done, you're going to use your curve ruler this way to trace out your armhole. So this is what I usually use for my armhole, and it's always come out fine. So this is it. Just curve out your armhole shape and use your hand to trace out the curve very well. Go ahead to cut out. Now moving on to the stitching side. Place front facing front of the both fabric, both body side. Then go ahead to stitch the shoulder side. After that, you're going to use bias to turn the neck. After stitching this shoulder, you use your white bias to turn the neck. So we are done here. This is the after look. Now you're going to go ahead to hold the side with 1 inch. Hold the both side with 1 inch. Then the downside, you're going to hem it with 1 inch too. You're going to fold it in with 1 inch. Let's do that and bring it. So we are done stitching here. We are done holding the side and stitching the downside. Now this is the sleeve. You're going to go ahead to hem the downside of that sleeve. After that, you're going to face the bolt this way and make a stitch with the sewing allowance you added to close up that area. So this is it. After doing all that, now get the top and front side facing front side, you fix your sleeve to the top. So this is it. Our top is ready now. Let's go ahead to fix the pocket. For the pockets, this is what you are using. You are using 9 inches for the width. For the depth, you are using 11 inches. So go ahead to fold in the both side. Fold in here with 1/2 inch. Fold the other side to 1/2 inch. Fold the other side to the 4 corners. You're going to fold it because I'm using a pin down pocket. So this is it after folding. This is it after folding. So now I will measure out where I want to place the pocket, which I measure down from the shoulder side. I measure 8 inches. So from that 8 inches, that's where I'm going to place my pocket. I'm using the method of pin. I'm going to use this pin to pin the pocket down. But if you know you don't like the stress of using pin, you can go ahead to make a stitch, and you do that before you join the both sides together. Just hold the pocket down, then you go ahead to join the both sides together, both sides of the top together. Okay, but for me, I want to use this top to wear different color of skirt and short. Okay, all I need to do is fix this pin here, fix the both pin there. Anytime I want to use another top or another short, another color, I will just change the pocket and use the top for another short or skirt. I don't think you understand what I mean, right? Yeah, so I will just go ahead to fix all those pins, fix it the way I trace it out. I fix all the pins, fix it at the pocket side, also fix it at the body of the top. That's what I'm doing here, and this is my needle and thread that I'll use and tack it. So I'm done tacking it here. Yeah, I'm done tacking it, and this is the after look. All you need to do is remove it this way and change to another color of Ankara or any fabric you want to slay this top on. You understand? Just remove it. That downside I can still remove it, but I don't want too much stress. Just let's remove it to this extent. Okay, yeah, I'll just place it back again and button it back. I will hook it back this way. You understand? This technology. So that's basically what's, and our top is ready. Okay, our top is ready like this. You can use this top to slay on many things. All you need to do, change the pockets to another color. You just make different pockets of different skirt or something, and you're good to go. So this is me now slaying it on with this short. For the tutorial of this short, the next video will be for the tutorial video of this shorts. Okay, just stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Can you just imagine that rat that just passed now? That thing don't have respect. Now what? So my beautiful people, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment, share this video. Now this is me slaying it on my skirt, but same fabric. Okay, so if I want to change this skirt now, I can change it to another yellow or blue, but I will create another pocket and fix another pin for it. You get it. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.